What is up guys, Scratch Snippets here, and today, since it's around the holidays, I thought it'd be a pretty cool idea to make a holiday tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to make a realistic 2D snow effect. Without further ado, let's make some snow. Alright, so here we are in the editor. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is grab a when green flag clipped block, and then a weight block, and then change it to 0.01 seconds. And then you want to grab a hide block and then make a variable. Let's call it clone count. Move that here, set it to 0. Get over the pen, clear it, set a clear block. Go over to controls, get drag and drop forever, and motion. Then we're going to go to X, Y. What it's going to do is it's going to make the snow spawn randomly on the X axis, so it won't be spawning in the same location up at top. But it's going to say at the Y is going to be 190, set that value to 190. So the Y will stay in one location, but the X will keep variating, so then it's not just lame in one location. The snow's not spawning in one location. So, alright, now let's get rid of our cat here. Let's make it more like a piece of snow. Oops. Definitely don't delete your cat permanently. Undelete that. So let's delete the cat costumes here. Or we can't delete both of them. Alright, we gotta add another one. Delete that. And then convert the vector so that it's not like pixelated or anything, because I know bitmap does that. And just make snow any size. Doesn't really matter. I would say around that size would work the best. Maybe actually a little bit bigger. I'd say around that. Alright, now that you got your sprite all set up, let's get into coding, shall we? So what you're first going to want to do is you're going to want to control the clones when they're created. So since we already have the command strip created for creating clones, we're going to need to control them once they're created. So we're going to do when it starts a clone, which is going to start the process. And we're going to do show, add change, clone count by 1. Every time it creates a new clone, you want that to change by 1. And we're going to make a new variable. We're going to call it size. If I can type. Make sure to click for the sprite only, or else it won't work. Now, this is going to be pretty difficult, so pay attention. Now we're going to do set size to pick random. We're going to add another pick random to this. We're going to add another pick random on this side, and then another pick random on that side. No, sorry. Yeah, that's it. And then we're going to add another pick random here. So this one's going to be a 0. This one's going to be 100. This one's going to be 150. And this one's going to be 210 and 220. Got that? Now go into the look section and click. I'm going to set the size to what we just set size as. Now we're going to make another variable. We're going to call it X. Make this for the sprite only. And this is another difficult one, so pay attention as well. So we're going to make the base multiplication problem. So multiplication, and then add division to the left side. We're going to do size divided by 100. And we're going to do times, pick random, put it on the left side, and another pick random on the right side. I'm going to do, that one's going to be 0.0001. This one value's going to be set to 1. This one's going to be negative 0.001. It should be 0001. This one's going to be negative 1. Make sure to set that to x. I'm going to make another variable, call this one y, of course, and make that for only the sprite. Drag another set y to that. This one's going to be pretty similar, but different. We can duplicate that because they're going to be similar. But pick random. Add another pick random to this one. Another pick random to this. And another pick random. And then negative 0.1. That value will be negative 2. Negative 5. Negative 4. And negative 7. Right there. Next, we're going to make another variable. We're going to call it negative y. Make it for the sprite only, of course. Pick random. Oh, so we need to do set negative y. Pick random to negative 0.1. To negative 0.01. Next, add a repeat block, repeat until. Add an OR to the repeat block and another OR into the repeat block. Change it to y, less than, another less than, and then a greater than. Drag an X position to the far right one, an X position in the center one, and a Y position into the far left one. Set the far left one to negative 178.5. Next one, negative 238.5. And the next one to positive 238.5. After that, go down to the next part. Add a change block in the motion section. Change X. And then change that from 10. Drag and drop an X variable into that. And then get a change Y. Oops, change Y. You can duplicate that and change that to a Y. Next, add a change in the data section. Change Y by negative Y. And then if X is greater than 0, so we do X is greater than 0, not I8, 0, then we do change X by X. So there we go, bam, and another division sign over here. Actually, no, we do that on top of here. Then we do X divided by X divided by negative 50. And then pretty much the same for the next one, except we're changing that to a less than. And then X divided by X. Actually, it's not negative 50, sorry, it's just 50. And then this one's 52, but you're multiplying it by negative 1. Oops. Times negative 1. And we should be pretty good. So hopefully when I click this green flag, it will work. And there you go. Oh, we have to have a delete clone or else it's going to get really laggy. So there we go. And if you want to change the size to make it smaller, I made it a little bit smaller than what we originally had it as because it was a little too big. you can make it as small as you want, because they do get pretty big, because the size generator makes them pretty big. And there we go. Exactly what I showed you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more. And Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and Happy Holidays. Bye, guys.